In our last video, we built an app that can download YouTube videos in up to 4K quality for free, which is already suspicious. But while I was recording that video for you guys, I realized something very ironic. I'm using CapCut to record my screen, a freemium software. So basically, I'm building the free tools while depending on another paid tool. That did not sit right with me. So I thought, why don't we build our own screen recorder? How hard can it be? So I went back to Gemini and told it build me a screen recorder. But not just a basic one. I want the highest quality possible, options to switch between resolutions, a floating control panel. Basically, I wanted a pseudo OBS, built by someone who does not know how to code. And then something interesting happened. Gemini started controlling my hands. It told me to create a folder and I said, okay. Open command prompt and I said, alright. Create a virtual environment. I have absolutely no idea what that means, but sure. Then it started installing libraries. And I was just there, copy, paste, enter, copy, paste, and enter. At that point, I was not a developer, I was a biological copy-paste machine. Then we created a file named main.py. Gemini gave us the code. We pasted it. And just like that, we had a working screen recorder in 9.5 minutes. Now here is the funny part. Out of those 9.5 minutes, 7 minutes were spent writing a description of what I wanted. Because I type like I'm using a keyboard for the first time. If you type fast, congratulations, you are already 70% developer. Anyway, we recorded our first video. But I was not happy with the quality. It looked like early 2000s YouTube. So we complained to Gemini. Gemini said install Bettercam, NumPy and so on, a lot of libraries. I don't know what NumPy is. It sounds like instant noodles. But we installed everything. Replaced the old code. Tested it again. Boom, quality fixed. Crisp, smooth and clean. But the floating panel, that annoying little control box. Even though I told Gemini to make it invisible in recordings, it was still showing up in the video, just sitting there and judging me. So this time, I got serious. I told Gemini, let me know if this is beyond your abilities. I can choose a better platform with fewer attitude problems. Gemini started explaining technical stuff. I understood absolutely nothing. But it gave us new code. So we replaced the old code again. Tested it. And it worked. No floating panel, high quality recording, everything smooth. But wait, there was one last problem. Every new recording was saved with the same name, which means every new video deleted the previous one. Self-destruct mode activated. We needed sequential file names like screen 1, screen 2 and screen 3 and so on. Basic logic. So we told Gemini again. Gemini gave new code, we replaced it again. I tested it and it was perfect. Everything fixed. High quality, no floating panel, automatic file naming, all built without writing actual code ourselves. Now for the final step, I told Gemini to create an executable file so that our application runs like a normal sane application, not through some weird command prompt ritual, and with a proper icon. Because if your software does not have an icon, it does not feel real. It feels like homework. Total time taken? 25 minutes. And honestly, it could have been much faster if your prompts are cleaner and you are slightly less clueless than me. From now on, all my future videos will be recorded using my own screen recorder, built with AI. No traditional coding, no developer background. Just clear instructions and patience. This is exactly why this series is called No Dev Needed. If you enjoyed watching me struggle personally, hit the subscribe button. Because next time we are building something even crazier. And I promise I will still pretend I understand what's happening. See you in the next video.